Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib, and MBS Highway is created exclusively for NMP TV, and it's brought to you by our friends at PRMG. They're working for your best interest. Hey, it's a big week ahead. Boy, can we fit any more in here? Not only is it Jobs Week, but the Fed's going to have their meeting too. So two big market movers. And oh, by the way, there's an election happening as well. So not sure we'll get the results on Tuesday, but it will happen shortly thereafter, let's hope, and the markets may certainly respond to that. Now, last week, we did get some big housing data. We got appreciation, which showed, oh my goodness, appreciation levels, and this is a result of low inventory and big demand. It was up, according to Shiller, and that is the gold standard, 5.7% year over year. Think about the wealth that creates. Now, the FHFA, they do an appreciation number as well, but this is only on homes with conforming loan amounts. Now, while it can have big homes with a conforming loan, it typically is more representative of homes that are a little bit on the lower end of the scale. And man, this number was up 8% year over year. I don't remember a number being up that strong. So that area of the housing market, very, very hot, also telling us that there's not a lot of inventory. Speaking of inventory, the numbers that we got also from pending home sales show that, get this, pending home sales are up over 20% year over year, but at the same time, inventory is down 19%. So how could you have all these additional sales with many fewer homes? Well, that's why you're getting this level of appreciation. Low inventory, enormous demand, and this trend is going to continue, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as far as rates go, remember we told you about that 0.78 on the 10-year Treasury? Well, guess where we are? 0.78 on the 10-year Treasury. It's incredible to see that number continuously be a level of that used to be resistance. Now it's acting as support. We have to be careful of this because some of the factors that are out there, like inflation, can cause interest rates to move up a little bit. One of the risk factors that we were concerned about was, do we get a stimulus deal? And while we think we probably get a stimulus deal, it was decided that this Nancy Pelosi and Steven Mnuchin decided that, hey, we can't come to terms before the election. Let's wait till after the election. And at that time, we'll put together some sort of a stimulus deal. It's a big gamble on both parts, on both sides making a big gamble here. But the thing of it is that that headline risk is now removed, because if we would have gotten a stimulus deal, we saw signs of this. Stock market would have loved it. Bond market, not so much. So with this off the table, we did see stocks decline. We are seeing mortgage bonds kind of stabilize now, but there is some other concerns with COVID. COVID cases spiking in Europe. In fact, shutdowns in Germany, shutdowns in France. And there's fears that will this come here to the US? That was kind of the way this all started, right? When we first started to see COVID cases in Europe spike in February, it came and crept in here to the US next. Let's pray that we don't get to that level. But Dr. Fauci saying that he does see us being in a position where we're going to see some big spikes in cases. Let's just hope and pray that some of these therapeutics get there quickly and vaccines get there quickly. Now listen, if you're not on MBS Highway, it's really high time that you do, because we've been navigating through this and calling this market, and more than ever, your customers need to understand what is going on. Another thing that people are raving about, check this out, Certified Mortgage Advisor. People have been blown away by the knowledge, and it's helping them gain more transactions. You should too. I'll see you next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.